Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step installation guide on an FD RX7 fuel system kit. Unbolt your factory fuel filter and remove the factory fuel lines, both feed and return. Factory fuel filter. No. Everybody's got to go. Got to remove this bolt to get the filter out of the strap. I'm going to take the SIKKY supplied fuel filter and regulator and install it into the factory RX7 bracket. These two big feed and return are going to be gone because now with the SIKKY kit it has a single feed and the return is right back by the pump, so it's coming out the whole way. One advantage of the SIKKY kit is it gets rid of this real tight clearance here between the fuel lines and the headers. Super tight. That's how you clean your shop floor. Sure. Install the combination regulator and filter provided in the SIKKY kit in the OEM filter location. The two pre-configured lines that are included in the SIKKY fuel system kit come with one large end and one smaller end corresponding to the different sized attachments on the filter. The upper factory hardline coming from the fuel tank is the feed. It goes to the top in port on the fuel filter. The lower line from the factory fuel tank, the lower hardline, hooks to the return off the filter, the center connection. So now we're going to take this AN-6 line and hook it to the output of the fuel filter regulator. Alright, so now that we have the feed line that runs up to the engine hooked to the filter regulator combo, we're going to route it up the trans tunnel using the provided two clamps and a couple zip ties to secure it out of the way. Utilizing the two factory heat shield bolts, use the provided clamps in the SIKKY fuel kit and attach the hose to the top of the tunnel. Take the remainder of the hose and route it above the transmission up towards the fuel rail using a zip tie or two to keep it out of the way of anything moving. As you can see, you can do this install without taking out the rear. We just lowered the front of the rear by unbolting the SIKKY brace. Gives you plenty of access to get to the fuel filter. As you can see, this car has aftermarket rails. The SIKKY kit does come with the connection so you can hook to your factory GM rails if your engine's still equipped with them, or you can use the provided -6 end and hook right to the fuel rail like we're going to be doing on this particular install. Alright, so that's a wrap on the SIKKY FD fuel system. Pretty simple job. I'd rate it like a 2 out of 10 difficulty wise. One of the great benefits of this kit is you have single line coming from the fuel tank, because the regulator and filter are mounted back in the factory filter location. So it simplifies the routing of the fuel line, makes the job a lot easier and cleaner. To find out more or pick up yours today, go to sicky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps.